G'day from Australia, I'm Donna, and in today's video, it's an ideas journal. There's no theme, no rhyme or reason. What you do is when you see something that someone else has made, you make one and pop it into your journal. Honestly, if you don't, you'll forget in a year what you saw. So having an ideas journal is gold. There's a flip through of this journal finished and chock-a-block full of ideas in the description below. The first step, we're going to make the cover. I used these oversized envelopes to put on the inside of my cover. These are great because they're not as heavy as cardboard, and if you haven't got an envelope, just use an ugly piece of scrapbook paper. That will work for you. I use the envelope because I want to be able to have my cover be flexible like this. I don't want a firm cover. What I also do when I'm picking the size of the envelope is make sure that my pages are going to fit on the inside. So it doesn't matter whether you're using A4 or letter paper, make sure that they're going to fit inside your cover. We're going to cut out some fabric now, and this is going to go over the top of the envelope on the outside. I've just used this, it's a light canvas actually from Spotlight in Australia. You can use any fabric you've got, whatever you've got. If you haven't got fabric, you can do this with paper. So just get your envelope. I've changed colour so you can see it better, and I'm going to seal the flap closed. Now I put my envelope on top of my fabric, and I'm just going to trace around the edge of the envelope an inch, and it can be close. I'm just using the width of my ruler. Doesn't matter if you use pencil or chalk, you won't see this line. Then cut it out. What I then want you to do is put your ruler back on your piece of fabric, but on the wrong side. Put a border around the edge of that cut fabric with your ruler. So this is going to be the placement of the envelope. Doesn't matter whether you draw a straight line all the way around the edge or just two little lines on the corner like this. As long as we've got the corners marked, because that's where we're going to put our envelope back in place. And we're going to cut off the corners. And we do that because when you fold it over like this, you've got this excess fabric here. So this is called mitering the corners. So I'm going to put my envelope back on the corner, and I'm going to come out on a 45-degree angle about 2 millimeters away from the corner of the envelope. So just put your ruler on the diagonal and mark a line across. And that just gives me a little bit of space to cover that corner up when I fold it back over. Don't cut it right on the corner like this. It'll be too short. And then cut this off. Do the same on all the other corners as well. So every corner has been cut off. And yours should be looking like this by now. Now we're going to glue the fabric to the envelope. I use the 𝗲𝗃 fabric glue. I get this from Spotlight in Australia, and I transfer it into a squeezy bottle. This is an icing bottle. Actually, it works really good for glue. Now turn your envelope over and place the corners on the corner marks on top of your fabric. Just lay it on top of the fabric. Don't go pressing heavily on it. Have a light hand and just smooth it out with the side of your hand. You don't want to use your fingers and push down like this because you'll risk pushing the glue through the fabric. My fabric's a good weight, but if you use a light fabric, you'll definitely push your glue through. So take it easy. Just smooth it out and wait for it to dry. And now we can go to the next step, which is gluing down these excess edges. This fabric glue dries really quickly. It doesn't take long at all. So now cover one flap with glue and then put a single bead of glue down the very edge of your paper. And then gently bring your flap over and lay it onto the envelope. Don't go stretching it and pulling it firmly. You don't need to. Just fold it over so that it lays naturally on the edge of your envelope. Do the same on the opposite edge of your envelope, and then put a tiny bit of glue right in the corners here, and then bring the glue out onto the flap and another bead of glue onto your envelope. Start at the middle and start folding that flap over and just gently ease it into place. By rights, your corners should miter easily. This little bottom bit here, just want you to use your fingernail and make sure it's folded over and laying flat. So when you put the top piece of fabric over the bottom piece, the corner gets covered over. See how I'm pinching that corner of the bottom bit and then using this fabric to fold over the top. Then go ahead and smooth down the rest of the fabric along the long side, making it all even. Then I get a ruler and I place it on top of the miters and I push down on it. Doing it this way will avoid pushing your fingers into the corners and potentially having glue seep through. So now the edges of our cover are covered and they look great. Now we're going to line the inside cover with scrapbook paper. But whatever paper you use, all it's got to do is cover over this yellow part out to the edges of the fabric. You can use scrapbook paper, but just know that if it's a little bit smaller than your cover, you're going to have a wide border around the inside. And there's nothing wrong with that. The other alternative, this is an A3 sheet of paper, which is the size of 2 A4s side by side. Alternatively, you could use an A4 sheet of paper and you would have a wide border as well here. If you use your A3 sheet of paper, just put your cover on here or measure it and then cut it out at the right size. But I'm going to use a book page. This is a beautiful bird book. It's got quite heavy paper pages in it and the birds in it are absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to use this page here with lots of birds down the side. I'm going to cut it so that it's just around about 1/8 of an inch smaller than my cover. So I'm having a very narrow border around the edge of my birdie page. And what I'm also going to do before I glue this down is I'm going to distress ink the edges and bring a little bit of colour to the inside of the page as well. I'm also going to stencil this leaf design down the side. I found this in Mum's stash. She'd already cut it up. I don't know where the other half is, but I love using this. It doesn't need a full sheet. So I just start heavy at the edge and come out lighter towards the middle. And these makeup brushes are perfect for this type of stenciling. So here's the coloured page beside a page that's not coloured. It really makes a big difference. Doesn't it look great? I love using book pages for the inside of my covers. Use a generous amount of glue on the back side of your book page and place it over the top of the inside of your journal cover. Just make sure all your 4 sides are even. Because I lay it down nice and light first, I've got that little bit of wiggle room if I do need to move it. Once I've placed it down, I let the glue go off for about 1 minute, and then I like to use my bone folder to make sure the glue has held down really well on the edges. We're going to put some pages in. These pages I've got here are the size of an A4 piece of paper folded in half. The way I'm going to show you how to do your pages is just one group of pages, that's one signature. We're just going to fold them over in the middle and sew them into the cover. For an ideas journal, you want as much real estate as you can get. So it's good to keep your pages all the same size, as big as your cover will accommodate. I've used a combination of tea dyed paper, and this is a digital kit. It's a coffee dyed background paper by Tuesday Moriarty. I'll put the link below for you. These are perfect papers to make a background for your ideas journal. I've added an oversized envelope here. I've added a paper bag. I've added a vellum page. When you're making your ideas journal, it's just as important to add a variety of types of paper, because this reminds you to use up the paper that you've got before you go and buy any more. So I've put all of these papers together. I reckon there's about 26 sheets here, and I'm ready to sew them in. To help you with the whole placement, if you are registered to my website, you'll be able to pick up these templates for free. I use a phone book as a cradle. All I do is get a Yellow Pages book, open it up in the middle somewhere, and then I put my single signature right in that cradle. That just holds it for you while you poke your holes. So once you've got your template on the inside of your page, get your pokey tool and just place it over the dot on the template and just push that through all of your pages. You sort of get to know when you've gone all the way through. I always start in the middle, but it doesn't matter where you start really, as long as you poke your 3 holes in. I'm gluing down a strip of fabric in the spine area. This is purely for decoration. There is nothing wrong with the inside of my cover here, so this is optional. You do not have to put fabric in. This is just something that adds to your ideas journal. It'll just remind you that you can use a strip of fabric down the center here. Now do the same for your cover. Put your template on the inside of your cover and poke your 3 holes through. Now I'm not going to show you today how to do the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. What I'm going to do though is just advise you to get a large big eye needle if you're using twine, and then just go ahead and thread your needle. If you know how to sew the 3-hole pamphlet stitch, just go ahead and sew your pages in. If you don't know how to do the 3-hole pamphlet stitch, watch this video here. I'll put the link below for you, because I've done this step by step in this video. So I sewed my pages in using butcher's twine, and I'm just tying it off. You can cut the tail off long or short. Once you've got your pages in, just open them up if you think they need a press down with your fingers, and your ideas journal is ready to use. I'm just going to show you page for page, and you'll be able to see what pages I ended up putting in this journal, because I didn't show you them all while I was putting them together. Lots of blank pages, lots of page ideas. There's so much to get out of making an ideas journal. Not only the goodies that you add to them now you're finished, but the variety of pages is definitely going to be something that if you put them all throughout this journal, you'll remember, oh yeah, I've got a piece of that paper. Oh yeah, I can stencil that. I can put a doily in here. I love my ideas journal. This journal took me, I think I've been filling it up for nearly 2 years. You do not have to hurry to fill up your ideas journal. Just as you see a video on YouTube or in Facebook, you love that idea, add it to your journal, page by page. It's one of the most fun journals that I've ever had the pleasure of making. But whatever journal you decide to make for your ideas journal, it's going to work, whether it's got a hardcover and a spine or whether it's just a fold over like this. If you've never made a journal before, and I've gone through this one a little bit quick for you, This video here might be more suitable. It's an easier journal to make, and it doesn't matter what the cover is that you use on your ideas journal. Make it in the style that you want to use. By the way, if you want to see the flip through of this journal filled up, here it is right here.